everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Craftessa. For today's super easy DIY, we're going to use one of these skull plates from the Dollartree. I don't know if they still carry them anymore because I had this left over from last year or maybe even 2 years ago. I had bought quite a few and I have this one left. Also, we're going to use a free printable that you can get at the Savage Patch. They have a blog, and if you subscribe to their blog, they have awesome printables, but they're only for personal use. We're going to need some Mod Podge and obviously some bling, and I have quite a bit of rhinestones and things. So thanks for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you get notified when I post new videos. So let's get crafting. So now that I cut the printout already to fit the interior of the plate, all I'm going to do is really attach it with Mod Podge. So I have my Mod Podge here. I'm just going to squirt a little bit around, actually a lot around, so it will attach nicely. And it doesn't matter if you get around the edges because I think we all know that Mod Podge dries clear. So while this dries, I'm actually going to start working on the edges. I have some Mod Podge there. I'm going to clean that up now. I'm going to start adding some rhinestones. So while the image is still drying, I'm going to start to put rhinestones around the eyes of each skull. So I picked out my rhinestones that I have, and just with a little bit of hot glue, we're going to attach them. I usually try and pick up my rhinestones with a tweezer. Makes it a little bit easier for me. And just a little dab of hot glue, not too much. That is basically how I'm going to leave it. I wanted to add a little bling to it, but not too much. I wanted to give it a little something, but I like the way it looks. Now I'm just gonna let the Mod Podge dry and we'll be ready to display it.